up? Hope you all are doing good. So this is part 3 and our final vlog of our Pondicherry series. Hope you like it and hope you all have watched even our previous vlogs. So do check them out if you haven't and enjoy this vlog. Good morning you all. It's the next day and I don't know what to say. You know, it's a different feeling. The whole night I could listen to the waves and it's so peaceful here. I honestly want to live here, guys. It's so beautiful and you can see the boats, you can see a few ships, and then the waves are the most beautiful thing I think exists. Oh my god. And the view from the room, these cute trees, the street, and then birds. There are so many birds. Slightly windy, slightly drizzling. I think I've never experienced something like this ever before, and I just wish to come back again and again and again. I think they're fishing, right?
Yeah,
We both
morning birds.
morning birds. These two, it takes ages to wake them up.
We are fixed to the itinerary and the timings, and we are like, going to enjoy the morning view and stuff. These guys are like behind sleeping. I always, very frequently I get dreams of getting hit by a tsunami, wherein there is a building next to the beach. So now I think
Overcame it.
Yeah, overcame that fear. I slept very peacefully yesterday. It was so beautiful. It's a new experience. Monu? Wake up, Sid. Monu? Monu, we have so many programs today. Come on. Monu, it's already late. Just see the view, Monu. Come on, get some water now. Mohana.
Good morning.
Huh?
We've come to have our breakfast. She's not opening the door. Thank you. You all, we have reached Pichavaram. So Pichavaram mangrove forest is really popular here. It is 66 to 70 kilometers from Pondicherry. It took us like 1 hour 40 minutes to reach here, and it's special for its boat ride. So basically there's a mangrove forest inside. We have taken one rowboat. There is also speedboat, but we need 8 people for that. What we have selected is the rowboat. It's for 4 people. Costed us 450 rupees for 4 people, and the boat ride is gonna be for 1 hour. You can see that's like the mangrove forest. So we'll be going through the forest, through the trees. 3,000 acres.
వాటర్ యానిమల్స్ ఏమైనా ఉంటాయా లోపల?
అనిమల్స్ ఏమి ఉండదు. వాటర్ స్నేక్, ఫిష్, ప్రాన్, క్రాబ్.
అంతేనా? క్రొకోడైల్స్, క్రొకోడైల్స్.
Okay, Akka.
3-4 అట్టుపోతే 50-100 ఉంటుంది. సీ కనెక్టింగ్ అట్టుపోతే సీ కనెక్టింగ్ అదే అక్కడ 100 ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ 3 feet 4 feet.
You got 3 feet. 4 feet. It's only 2 feet, 3 feet.
in muddy.
But we still can't walk because it's really muddy and soily.
నెమలి.
Oh my god, it's peacock. Peacock.
There on the tree.
There's a peacock. So these trees have saved a lot of people from the force of tsunami waves.
ఈ ఏరియానా
అక్కడ దాగొచ్చు అదే
Bend one. If you touch these, they won't grow, it seems. Kada?
touch the branches, yeah.
Touch the branches, they don't grow. Interesting, man.
So breezy and drizzles, you know.
Yeah, it's drizzling.
They're gonna say, yeah, that's పట్టుకోలేను.
Snail. This is a shell.
This is a snail inside.
Living snail inside. Wow. Sure. Oh my god. The snail went inside.
ఇదే పోరదా
Oh, see, mud is so sticky that we'll get stuck. So we can't walk here, but they can.
Oh,
Out
they
of their
use-
experience. Yeah, they are used to it.
It's dead, but
తమిళ్లో సారపాము
Sarapam.
సార స్నేక్
Sara snake.
సారపాము
Oh, it's dead.
పాయిజన్ నో పాయిజన్
No poison.
They have crazy stories. They have really crazy stories.
ఇలా పాపలాగా ఉన్నాం అప్పుడు
గుర్తుందా?
You can see the drizzles.
Yeah, that's true. That's one single tree.
What? It's like one single tree. We are on our way back to our hotel, and on the way we saw these fruits. These are like exotic fruits.
So the room we were staying in previously, it was pre-booked already by someone else. So we had to shift to the next room. But we also got 2 rooms because of that, and 2 balconies too. After a while, we saw this guy playing the guitar, and we decided to go down and meet him.
But you wanna join him and sing, Akka? We've come down to have our dinner, and yesterday we had really tasty paniyaram, so we're gonna have paniyaram again for dinner today. We loved it a lot, especially the badam milk with the malai. Like, it is the best. Waffle. This time you take waffle today. Oh, today is the last night at Pondicherry. I don't want to leave. I really don't want to leave. You know the guy who was playing guitar near the beach? He is from Auroville. He studies in Auroville. He's just done with his 10th, and he's coming for 5 days. And he was playing it so well. And like, I appreciate people like that. You know, you really need to have like the dare and then come out and then play guitar in front of so many people. He also played a song on our request, and it was very sweet. It was very nice. You all like in a few days my college is gonna start 3rd year, and then our father's going back. I don't want to think about that, but like, if I imagine, I don't want to go to college. I want to stay at home. I want to be with Amma. Stay like almost what, two and a half? Yes, no, even like during my internship, I was mostly at home. So many months I was at home. Now college.
You're speaking like a small child. You want to. She reminds me of baby Harshu, who wouldn't want to go back to school again.
But then again, he didn't get wet.
And we had some of food. And yet waiting to have something else again. Maybe
Come on, guys,
nice
we're
good
traveling. We
dessert.
need to eat.
These girls are waiting to have good ice cream and
These girls are all three of us, or all four of us. Even this girl. Hi. So guess, we just made a new friend, you guys. Guess who he is? He's the guy who played the guitar. Yeah. And yes, we've been talking to him for a while now, and then it's just so good. He's walking, we were walking, so we just met, and we stay in the same place. Yeah.
Same guest house.
Yeah, same house.
Kind of looking at the waves and everything. And I was like, oh, you guys are here.
He stays at Auroville, and it was very interesting for us. So we were like, okay, let's just make a new friend. Yay!
I love how camera friendly you are, you know.
Oh, I did it from.
You did?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Anyway, anybody who watches this, come to Auroville and get in touch with me. I'll show you around.
Yes. His name is Sam, by the way.
Singing too?
I can sing, I can play, I write.
Yeah.
I'm in school. I just finished that.
We are just like bombarding him with so many questions because he's from Auroville. We've been asking like what made you move to Auroville and all types of questions, like how is education there, all of those.
Good morning. We're going to the beach, Rock Beach, to take some pictures.
You all, we thought it won't rain, but it's raining again. It's drizzling. They are in an all black outfit.
I wanted this.
You all, we have new friends. It's so sweet and heartwarming. We had a good conversation. You all, it's time. We are leaving Pondicherry. We don't want to.
Not at all.
This view.
One day would be enough.
And now we're going to Auroville. We're planning to go to Auroville. If it's possible, then we'll go to Swaram. So let's see, guys. But I'm gonna miss everything. Pondicherry coming back. We are coming.
So, you all, the person you see in this video right now, he is so lively. We used to meet him every day in our guest house during our breakfast or dinner, and then he would come to us and then talk, and we had such good time with him too.
That's so good.
Peace and happiness.
Okay. Love, peace, and
Happiness.
All right. Okay.
So let's go, guys. 1, 2, 3. Love,
Love,
peace,
peace,
and
and
happiness.
happiness. All the best to you both.
Thank you.
This is our favorite street, y'all. There's so much greenery. And the paniyaram we had is straight towards the right. So we just love the street.
Guys, so now we are heading to Auroville. We didn't want to miss it because anyway it's on the way and it's not even that far. So we are 15 minutes away. We are going to Swaram in Auroville.
The road is a bit rough here, but it's like we are in the middle of a forest.
We found a cafe which exploring.
So Auroville is a universal township with a population of almost 50,000 people from around the world. The purpose of Auroville is to realize human unity in diversity with sustainable living and the future cultural, environmental, social and spiritual needs of mankind. And you all can see in the video there are so many different people from various countries, and also if you want to know more about Auroville you can check out their website.
It was nice. I feel like
The farm fresh veggies.
like the guy I asked about, okay, like if there are any restaurants close by, he said that they handpicked. It's like he handpicked sprouts and like few vegetables like right now freshly.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's also so fresh.
Okay. Let's go. Good afternoon. Hi. What is Nana saying? నీ భయం ఏంటి?
ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత ఇంత ప్లేట్లు వస్తా కూడా ఇంత ప్లేట్
We paid around 750 rupees, but then we seen the quantity of other plates. It's just this is a certain
Yeah, we are just skeptical about the quantity and will it be filling for us? I don't think it's good. Yeah, I think we should.
Y'all, you have to tell you a joke. Something funny that happened. Super funny. So we thought these were plates, but these are just to keep this utensil. Utensil. This is the plate. So this is what happens when you come to a fancy restaurant.
How's it? How's it?
So fresh. It's really fresh. Super good.
All use on these bicycles.
So, Swaram Sound Experience in Auroville is a place that has different musical instruments made up of stone, bamboo, and metal, and these are so soothing and also used for meditation purposes. If you all want to visit this place, do check out their timings prior, and also there's a showroom they have, so you have to check that out too.
It's a research center. Swaram instruments are made.
All the music instruments are made here.
There. And it's a research center, I suppose. They are made, manufactured there.
Wow, I want that in my house.
So this is a family thing now. Mom and dad. Mohana is there. Hi guys. Hi. What's up? This gives the sound of thunder. Unu.
Show that.
మన ఫ్యామిలీకి ఉన్న పిచ్చితనానికి ఇది ఇంకా పిచ్చేకి పోతాం.
Become more crazy.
3, 2, 1, go.
So after Auroville, we then left to Bangalore. It took us almost 5 to 6 hours to reach home.
So y'all, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. That was the Pondicherry series. We had so much fun in Pondicherry and we are back to our routines, guys.
Yeah, back to Bangalore.
And my college has begun and I have so much work right now. I can't tell you.
Yeah.
But yeah, Pondicherry, I just wish to go back there as soon as
we
possible.
just want to go there again. It was a lovely trip.
Yeah, and like people were so nice there, man. Like,
Yeah.
you know, a lot of them, while we were recording video, they came to us and they're like, do you want us to record the video for you guys?
Yeah.
The people were like sweet. And it was nice meeting new people, you know. It's always good to know about different cultures, different people. And yeah, so the trip was great.
Hope you all travel with us too. This is our Instagram ID. Do check it out. Until then, love, peace, and happiness.